We are in an 1880 something farmhouse outside of Annville. It's actually a Jonestown address, but doing some work here. We just got done doing the tile because there's going to be a stove here, a wood stove that they're going to put down. So we wanted to do, they wanted to do tile, these big 1x2 tiles with giant grout lines. They're huge, 1/2 inch, which is borderline. That's as big as you want to go. Usually I like to use 1/8 inch, but there was a reason why we went bigger, just the way, because there won't be any small cuts. We did that. We did this with the Schluter edging. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it came out nice. It's got a nice black Schluter edge there, nice and 45-degree angle. Just so when you come in, you'll have a tile to take your shoes off or whatnot, so you're not dragging mud all over. We're gonna be doing this landing in solid oak. The stair treads are gonna get replaced with solid oak, and we're gonna stain them. Let's go upstairs. This place is huge, 5,000 square feet, so it's huge. This room we gotta do. This room we gotta do. This room we gotta do. This room. Now we're not refinishing. Man, it smells like cat piss up here, Sebby. You can smell it up here. The cat piss. Apparently they had a local company, I'm not gonna say the name, came out and told them that, yeah, they can get the cat smell out, which is just a blatant lie. You can't really ever get it out unless you replace the subfloor up. So this is a giant house. It really is. It's big. I think they have 50 acres, something like that. Guy's really cool. He owns a roofing company. So that's how he made his money. It's a big farm. This is where he grew up though. I don't think his parents are around anymore, but it is. It's a big property. But anyway, this is gonna get the same type flooring. It's LVP style flooring, but it's not a floating floor. It's glue down. So it's actually vinyl planks, I should say. Got it from ProSource. Total job I think is like 1,500 square feet up here, and then we got down here, which we're starting down here first because his mother-in-law is sick and they're trying to get her in here. So what Sebby's doing is spreading. Yeah, I've never used this kind of glue before. I've used this kind, but never this color or this brand. It's really expensive stuff, but it's supposed to, you roll it down with a 3-inch nap roller and then it turns a different color. I was told green, but it's already green, so I bet you it'll turn clear, because usually that's how it is. It's it's white and it'll turn clear when it's ready. But I don't know though, there it's starting to look kind of greenish. We'll see, Sebby, but it's gonna get really, really tacky. And then these simple wood planks, they're only 3-inch, which kind of wish they would have went a little wider, but yeah, well, this is the brand. It's Carndine flooring from ProSource. So yeah, we got a whole pallet of flooring we got to do. But first things first, we got the tile done. It only took us a day, not even. Yesterday was my son's birthday, so we only worked like 6 hours yesterday, but we basically got it done yesterday. We set them today. Came out nice. Customer's happy. He's very particular, so if he's happy, I'm happy. But yeah, we'll show you the finished product when we're done. We're also doing trim. We're gonna be here another 2 days to do the downstairs, and then we have 2 jobs next week to do, I think, Sebby. We're really booking up fast, so if anybody needs their floors done, call us, because we're scheduling out pretty far, which is kind of unusual this time of year. So we're blessed. Anyway, yeah, so that's where we're at. Stay tuned for the final product. Call us 717-673-5532 if you want an estimate. We do. I guess we're going to start doing more tile because Sebby likes it. I'm not Italian, so I can't really I like wood, but anyway, yeah, be careful not to, yeah, you're doing good. Get it tight up against that wall, but yeah, so give us a call if you need an estimate, refinishing, any hard surface, no carpet. But we can still get it done for you. Carpet, M&Z, if you guys need carpet done, if we don't do it, I can get one of the other contractors that does work for M&Z. They could do it for you too. So yeah, 717-673-5532. Thank you.